Hello, everyone. The Amherstburg Echo is the feature resource for March, and I will demonstrate how to use this resource. First, you start on the home page of the Essex branch website, which is essex.ogs.on.ca, and you click on Featured Resource. This brings you into the Featured Resource webpage. You can see it is about the Amherstburg Echo. And you can go down and see that there are a number of folders representing the different decades that we have transcribed from the Amherstburg Echo. But you will notice in the first paragraph, it gives you some information about some of the other newspaper extractions that we have in the members library. And it also gives you an index to the Amherstburg Echo. I'm going to click on this link for the indexes. And you will see that there is an index for the Amherstburg Echo. And that there are quite a number of different files. And that is because the indexes are divided into somewhat of a decade worth of information. Otherwise, the files were too large. Also, in the future, all of these will be put into one index and it'll all be part of our master index, but that's in the future. For now, you would have to know what year you're looking for, or you can look at them all to see if you can find your ancestor. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to go into the 1930 to 1939 index. And the first thing I always do, you can see these symbols at the bottom of the page. This is for zooming, this is for rotating, and this is for searching. I'm going to zoom to window width. It's easier to read. And I'm also going to search for Clapison. And I have to hit enter. And you can see that the index only has, there's one of two mentions of a Clapison, but the one I am interested in is this one, Mary Clapison. I can look to see what the other one was by going to the next button here. What they've done is they've also included in the index her maiden name of White. So, but I go to the back to the original one. This is giving her age, and it says that the entry was on January the 1st, 1932. You can't see this quite, but you see the little X here at the top? That takes you out of that file. But you can see that I'm still in the indexes. So I'll go to a previous folder. I think if I just hit back, I can get, yes, I just hit back to get to the actual featured page resource. So now I know I have to go into 1930 to 1939 folder. I have to find the 1932 file. Every year has its own file. And I'm going to zoom again to window width. And because it's January the 1st that I'm looking for, I know I can just scroll down to January the 1st. As you can see it here, it's listed. And here it is right at the top here. It's the funeral services for Mrs. Mary L. Clapison. So this is an obituary, which is very nice to have. And if I wanted to copy this, I would just or print screen, which is the Windows button on your keyboard, as well as the PRTSC That's how it is on mine anyway. Or you can snip it. I have a snipping tool. I'm sure you have one yourself. I could snip it and just pick out what I want. And then there I have the file. I could save it as a JPEG in my genealogy file. I'm not going to save it right now. So that is how you find if your ancestor was mentioned in the echo. I hope you take advantage during the month of March to use this feature, and good luck. Bye for now.